44%. That's the factual accuracy of a naive RAG pipeline, the kind every tutorial teaches. Production systems hit 63%. Today I'm showing you exactly what's in between in the real 5-layer architecture behind production RAG systems running at scale in 2026. Every RAG tutorial teaches the same 4 steps. Chunk your docs. Embed them. Retrieve the top K by cosine similarity. Feed them to the model. It works perfectly in a notebook. Then a real user asks a real question and it falls apart. Here's the truth, the model is almost never the problem. What breaks is everything between the user's question and the context the model actually receives. The first production lesson, you need 2 completely separate pipelines. An offline indexing pipeline that processes documents whenever they change. And an online query pipeline that runs on every single user request. Most prototypes conflate these into one script. The moment your indexing job competes with live queries for resources, your P99 latency collapses. Separate them from day one. Chunking is where most pipelines silently lose information before retrieval even runs. Get this wrong and no amount of re-ranking downstream will save you. The default that works for 80% of use cases, recursive chunking at 300 to 500 tokens, with 10 to 15% overlap between chunks to prevent context loss at boundaries. This single change has been shown to improve retrieval accuracy by up to 40%. Pure vector search has a critical blind spot, it misses exact keyword matches like names, codes, and product IDs. Hybrid retrieval combines vector similarity search with BM25 keyword search and fuses the scores. The numbers are real. Hybrid plus re-ranking achieves 66% mean reciprocal rank against 57% for semantic only. That's a 9-point jump from one architectural change. This is the highest return on investment addition to any naive pipeline. After hybrid retrieval returns your candidate set, typically the top 50 to 100 chunks, a re-ranker does a second pass. A cross-encoder model scores the query and each document together, not independently. This gives you far richer relevance signals. Mature implementations report 10 to 40% precision improvements. Together, hybrid retrieval plus re-ranking is the production default for most systems in 2026. Here's what separates a demo from production: you cannot improve what you don't measure. Build a golden test set of at least 100 queries before you ship. Track context recall, aim for 75 to 80%. Track faithfulness 90% or above using RAGAS or deep-eval. Sample 5 to 10% of live queries with LLM-as-judge scoring. Run evaluation after every pipeline change. Without this loop, you are flying blind. Here is the exact build order. Chunking first. Hybrid retrieval second. Re-ranking third. Separate your pipelines before you scale. Evaluation loop before you ship. One layer at a time. Measure every change. Follow for the next deep dive: agentic RAG, where agents retrieve, evaluate, and re-retrieve automatically.